When it comes to business, our mindset plays a huge factor if we will be successful or not. I'm going to go through 6 challenges that you have not noticed and are probably implementing in your business that is hurting your business more than helping it. So we'll go over these 6 challenges so that you can overcome them and take your business to that next level. So the first challenge is letting go of control. Many business owners feel like they need to have their hands on every single part of their business or it will fail. This is a huge mistake to make, is wanting to put your hands on everything in the business. What you're doing is you're limiting your employees from being effective and taking accountability and being able to take control and find the solutions that are needed to solve the problems that are happening in your business. So wanting to have control is a huge mistake because you're limiting your time to be able to scale and grow your business. Wanting to wear all of these hats in your business is just gonna burn you out. It's gonna make you extremely ineffective and you're not gonna be able to focus on the deeper problems or solutions to make your business grow. Because the one thing that you want to do is focus on high level activities. So to be able to shift and scale, you need to implement the systems and trust your team. That's why they are there, that's why you hired them. So providing that trust for them will give them the ability to want to learn more and want to do better. By empowering your employees, you can focus on high level activities instead of the day-to-day operations, and this will give you the opportunity to scale and grow. And by letting go, you'll find out that other people are better than you at what you think you're good at. So when you empower other people to be able to be good at that specific thing they're already good at, it empowers them to become better. Don't give in to the lie that no one can do it better than you. That's where you're completely wrong, because that's why there's someone that is working specifically on that skill and they're improving in that skill. So you'll find that when you do let go, your employees or that specific person will be better than you at that, and you can take your hands off of that, let go, and focus on those other activities that is going to help your business grow. Have you ever had the fear that your customers were going to leave you the next day? Or the fear of not having enough money to invest back into your business? Number 2 would be scarcity mindset. This is a huge challenge that business owners have that is stopping them from investing in their growth. Having that scarcity mindset is only going to have you playing it safe. And safe business is pretty good business, but it's not the best business practice, because you're gonna stay stagnant at some point and the years are just gonna pass by. So by having that scarcity mindset is gonna create that fear, that limiting belief that you can invest back in your business and it will grow. So by investing in your business, you'll be able to have more opportunities for sales, customers, and putting that money into marketing so you can scale your brand and have consistent leads coming in, and then you can scale and grow from there. The shift to take you out of that scarcity mindset is cultivating an abundance mindset that there is enough opportunity for everybody. One thing that you don't want to get into is that there's not enough business for you to bring into your company. There's a lot of opportunities for everybody, so getting into the mindset that there is a short amount of customers that want your services is a scarcity mindset. So have that abundance mindset that there's a lot of opportunities for you out there. It's gonna open up the ideas of how you can market your business and grow it from there. I had a client that was in that scarcity mindset of investing back into their business. They were investing a couple $100 into Google Ads, and they didn't want to spend more because they didn't believe that more customers were going to come. They were so focused on the pennies instead of the dollars. So when my client talked to me about them not wanting to spend money into their business, instantly I thought about that scarcity mindset. The mindset that is limiting them from being able to invest back into their business. So once we get that limiting belief out of the way, it opens up your business in a brand new light, and then you can see what is actually possible once you get out of that comfort zone. Number 3 is fear of failure. This is a huge one. Many business owners are paralyzed because they don't want to make mistakes. When you make mistakes, you fail faster, which gives you the opportunity to learn better and faster to make better decisions. So being paralyzed and having a fear and not wanting to make mistakes will stop you from taking any opportunity because you're gonna feel like it's not gonna go right anyways. Fear will capitalize on your mistakes, which then it will create that wall. And in order to get through that wall, you gotta destroy it by thinking positive in an abundance way that there's an opportunity for you to be successful. So having the fear that you're gonna make mistakes is only gonna stop you from really seeing the opportunity, which on the other side of that wall is all of the success that you've been wanting for your business. Successful business owners understand that it takes mistakes to create a successful system and process. If you don't make mistakes, you're not gonna know what's working and what's not working. You should want to make more mistakes so that you can know what is needed for your business and what is not needed. Because the goal is to find those systems and processes that work perfectly for your business so that you can just scale and grow from there. Because successful businesses owners that failing is part of the journey. So fail fast and just course correct as you go. Number 4 is short-term thinking. Some business owners can focus on those fast wins, those easy wins, how to get that easy money fast. But someone that is truly successful and understands that it's a journey, they think about those long-term wins, building those relationships, really taking the time to learn their business, refining their systems and processes, is gonna help them for that long term win even bigger than trying to get those big sales, that easy money right away. No business owner should strive for inconsistent revenue. You can't predict the future by having a very inconsistent revenue coming in. By seeing the consistency of your revenue, you'll be able to see what opportunities are available for you so you can get that sustainable growth. The shift is thinking long term about your business. Those customers that are gonna be loyal for a long term. Those employees that are gonna stay with you and have a great environment to work in. Owners need to build scalable systems that are gonna help your business grow, even if it means sacrificing short-term profits for a long-term relationship. Focusing on those long-term relationships is gonna give you the opportunity to grow a really good reputation with those people, which word of mouth will happen. It's inevitable, and you'll just get that continued business coming in. Because you're not focused on those quick gains, you're focusing on that long-term sustainable growth. Number 5 is not valuing your time correctly. Many business owners focus on those small tasks that they need to do instead of delegating that to their team. By focusing on those smaller tasks, you're limiting your time and your mental capacity to focus on those high-level tasks that are going to take your business forward. So when you delegate, you can focus better on your business and let your team handle the rest. That's why you got in business, is to not be working in your business, but working on your business. The shift that you need to make is understand that your time is your most valuable asset. You need to focus on high impact activities like business development, leadership, and strategies for bringing sales in. Sales and marketing should be the main thing you're doing with your time, not the smaller tasks that your team can do. You got into business to have your time back, not to be an employee in your business. So shift that mindset in knowing that your time is extremely valuable, and even your employees as well. But when you get their time becomes yours. So don't undervalue your time, because your time is precious. You built this business for you to have more time with your family and your friends. So don't get into that mindset that your employees are not gonna wanna do those other tasks, which that's what they're good at. That's what you hired them for. An effective leader is a leader that is rested and healthy. I mean, when you focus on yourself and you prepare yourself to be the best you can focus on them and be the leader that they need. Do you find yourself like you're just coasting and you can't get to that next step so you can be thriving? The one thing that you might need is a mentor to teach you and get you there. Because the last thing you want to do is just coast while everybody else passes you. If you feel like I'm describing you and your business, click the link below. There's a free call. We talk about your business and the problems that are in it and how to solve them. Number 6, imposter syndrome. This is something that could be coming from your childhood that you don't even know that you have. This is something that you might be seeing and feel like because you're not there, that you're not good enough. One mistake that you don't want to make is feel like your employees think that you're better than them. And when you want to put yourself in the same level as them, you become an employee instead of becoming the leader that they are needing. So don't feel like you're not good enough to be in the position that you're in. If you're doing the hard work and you're making the sacrifices and you're making the mistakes, you most definitely belong where you are, because you're putting yourself on the line, your time on the line, and money to be able to make this happen. If this is a dream of yours that you've had, or this is a business, a family business that you have taken on, then it's your responsibility to make this possible. So don't feel like you're not good enough and that success is not for you. If you're winning, continue to win. And if you're not winning, find ways to win so that you can make this possible for you and your family. Go back to that one time and think of that one memory and know that that's the memory that you have of a success that you did, and you did that. So focus on the accomplishments, focus on the wins, build that confidence by remembering those accomplishments that you've had, those successes that you have accomplished that have brought you to where you are. Surround yourself by like-minded people, people that want the help to win, to find new strategies. Get that support system around you that's gonna make you a better business owner and a better leader for your people. Because at the end of the day, they need you. They're working for you and they're trusting that you are gonna be able to provide them work and an environment and culture that they can love and appreciate and put all of their effort in. So that's it. 6 challenges that you just have to go through and see which ones resonate with you and which ones need to be addressed. By doing this, you're gonna become a better leader for your people. You're gonna become a better business owner, a better father, a better mother, a better friend, and you're gonna become that business owner that's gonna create a great experience for their customers. I really hope this video helped you in some way and you found something that you were missing and that you needed to address. If I brought you value today, please like and subscribe and share this video. Now, you might need to listen into it a couple times to really grasp it and know what you need to work on. So again, if you want a free call, please click the link below and we'll talk one-on-one and see what we can do for your business.